Hello to everyone, welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video I'm going to solve a problem from the previous MSET question paper. Okay, the question is the length of the lattice rectum of the parabola 169 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to 5x minus 12y plus 17 whole square is means length of lattice rectum. So if you take that coordinate axis and all, right? If you take the figure like this, okay, this will be the directrix, this will be focus. Okay, now this point to this point the distance will be perpendicular, right? This is the perpendicular distance between the directrix and the focus, this one. Okay, so this will be the length of lattice rectum. This will be the length of lattice rectum. Okay, now coming to the solution, let us write the question once again. 169 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to 5x minus 12y plus 17 whole square, right? This I am bringing to the left hand side and it becomes it divides, it comes the denominator. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 5x minus 12y plus 17 whole square by 169, which is equals to 5x minus 12y plus 17 whole square by this one is 169 is nothing but 13 square, which implies 5x minus 12y plus 17 by 13 whole square. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Now, if you take this is the form, general form what? General form what, ma? X minus h whole square plus y minus, sorry, plus or minus k whole square, right? So here h is, therefore h is equals to 1, k equals to 3. Therefore focus will be, focus is 1 comma 3, right? Now from here to here it is the perpendicular distance. How to find it? Actually that is denoted by 2a, right? Double ordinate. Okay, 2a is equals to mod of this equation, 5x minus 12y plus 17 by root of 5 square plus minus 12 square. So 2a is equals to, here substitute 1 comma 3 in the place of x and y, right? So mod of 5 into 1 minus 12 into 3 plus 17 by root of 25 plus 144, right? Why we substituted this point in this equation? This equation is passing through the focus. This line is passing through the focus, no? So that's why this line equation is this one. This is the equation of this line, which is passing through the focus. That's why in this line we are substituting the point focus. which is equals to mod of 5 minus 36 plus 17 by, this is 169, root 169 you will get. 2a is equals to, you will get here 5 minus 36 is nothing but 31, minus 31 plus 17 is minus 14 by, this what you will get, root of 13 square is equals to mod of minus 14 by 13. Right here mod is given means mod, so solution for mod what you will get, positive always, so 14 by 13. But what is the length of lattice rectum formula what ma, equals to 4a, which is equals to 2 into 2a, which is equals to 2 into 2a value what, 14 by 13, which is equals to 12, 14 to the 28 by 13. This is the length of the lattice rectum. If you if you not understood, or if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to Deep Maths.